Oh, there y'all go. Here I go. Welcome to the Cooking General, man. Let me tell you something. Man, we finna do number 7 of the eggs. Number 7. This is 7 egg recipe I made. Now, you probably saying like, Cooking General, why you doing these egg recipes? I had promised 12 egg recipes. And I'm gonna tell you why I promised them. Because I could do even more if I really wanted to. See, let me give you a little history. The Cooking General used to work for this big PR company. The PR company, I can't name them, and I can't name the franchises and other restaurants and other people who manufacture food and cook food for y'all, because what they do, we go into an office or big kitchen like, they send us one of these franchises recipe. We got everything on their menu, everything. And we take all these ingredients that they gonna use, this is what they gonna use, and we put something together and form a new ingredient, and we'll mix and match until we come up with something that's good. Now, 90% of my stuff got approved, and then 10% didn't. And so I started doing YouTube videos, so the other 10% was like, okay, I had a 5-year grace period before I can even tell y'all anything. So it's over with now, that's why I'm doing these recipes. Now, I'm not in the contract no more, so I'm gonna tell you another one that kind of failed. But I thought it was pretty good, because you already seen the popcorn chicken and popcorn shrimp. That was another fail, but you see, and I see by y'all views that it was a thumbs up. Thank you for that. Now, let me show you the one that fails. Okay, now, this was gonna be called my PEP. It was pig egg pancakes. And I done this for a franchise, which didn't get approved, but I thought it was pretty good. So come in, let me show you how you put that together. First of all, you're gonna need some Ritz. And then you're gonna need some ham. And I used honey ham because the honey takes the place of the syrup. Spank it right there. You're gonna need some eggs, milk, and some grease to fry it in. And you also need a blender to blend this up with, because it's gonna be like a pancake mix. Oh man. Boy, over 90% approved. You think I was knocking them out? Let's knock them out. Ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General, man. Come on, let me show you how you do these eggs. Number 7. Oh man, I'm telling you, you ain't never had, man, pig egg pancakes. Come here, let me show you this here. Now, I got this blender here going. I'm gonna blend it on. Now, I put 2 eggs. I put 6 slices of ham, 2 eggs, and about 3.5 packs of Ritz crackers. And I got my batter. Alrighty. I got it all blended up. Then you come over here to your pan. Pan on your stove. Oh man. You put them on there just like pancakes. There's Ritz crackers, ham, okay, milk, and your eggs. And you got 2 eggs now. And we're gonna brown these like pancakes. Oh man. Now, you think that ain't gonna be good? Come back, I'm gonna show you. Pig eggs, pancakes, we finna knock them out the park. Come on, let's do it. Ask somebody.
Crazy.
Okay, welcome back to the Cooking General, man. Hey, woo, we got the pig egg pancakes done. Now, this was one of the first experiments that I did that actually failed. It was like, okay, you studied. I could have even got laid off because it was the first failure I made and the first time on the job. And really, to be truthful with you, it's really not that good, but it's edible. And I think it was pretty good for me being a rookie at the time. So come in, let me show you how they look. Check this out here. They came out pretty good. It's got ham in there. And I used the honey ham because I wanted to have a sweet like taste. The Ritz crackers, the milk, the eggs. And it's all right. Get some beer. So I was advised, don't make it. Don't make it. I was just showing you. That's one of the Ritz. But hey, I knocked it out, did I? Come on, y'all. Give me some credit.